So there are two piles, one with the red leaf and the other one is with the green leaf. So you can either pick pile 1 or pile 2, or else you can watch the entire reading. Alright, pile number 1. Welcome to the setup. So these are your cards. I have pulled some guidance card for you as well. So what I can see for your reading is you are juggling between two things in your life. That can be your practical self and your emotional self. Or if it is not that case, then it can be like you're struggling with your financial situation and your family life. That is a struggle right now which is going on, okay, but you do not need to worry. I can see you into a very good financial position. Yes, this is what there's an emperor card which also denotes Lord Shiva, and to your very surprise, you can see there's an emperor card and the high priestess, the Shiva and Parvati. Both the couple has come as a guidance for you. So that's a blessing for you. I can see you in your life, you have attained everything with lot of struggle, lot of hard work. You always have to give your 100%, and you always have to strive hard to attain success in your life. And universe wants to tell you, either you can say Lord Shiva wants to tell you that he's always there with you. He's always there in your ups and downs. Okay, so the guidance what he wants to give you is there can be a transformation in the upcoming near future. Okay, a transformation can be a physical transformation or a transformation in your financial situation, in your emotional situation, your family life, okay, all together. And physically you're going to be very fit, and you're going to change yourself. You're going to be very attractive or presentable, you can say. Okay, Lord Shiva wants to tell you that you need to follow the traditional values. If you're stuck between some decision, or you're stuck between some decision making in your life, Lord Shiva wants to tell you, always go with the traditional one. It will help you a lot. It will take you to the correct destination. Okay. Very soon some clarity regarding, so see, there initially when I said you're juggling between two things, right? So there would be a clarity coming into your life regarding the same, and there would be a love offer as well. Or if you're already married or into a relationship, your situation will improve with your better half, and there would be a lot of love and harmony around you. Okay, see, I cannot see any negative card into this reading either. It's just death card, that is what I can see, which is also a kind of a positive card itself, which says that there is going to be a transformation into a positive front, which is going to transform your life. It is going to change your situation. Yes, very soon there will be an opportunity coming in your way, which would be a very positive result oriented. Okay, and I pulled up one yes or no card for you, and I got the answer yes. So this says it's very it says it's I pulled up a guidance card for you which says yes. So if you were planning for buying a new home, or if there was some decision that you were waiting for, or any of new beginning you wanted to start with? The answer is yes, you can go ahead with it, and it is going to result into your favor, and it is going to benefit you. Okay, so I am very happy with these with the emperor and the high priestess that you got into this reading. It's like a couple coming together. Like this reading was for the guidance of Lord Shiva, and you can see Parvati coming in with her husband to guide you. So she wants to tell you that you need to be very intuitive. You need to hear to your subconscious voice. Okay, you need to work on your divine feminine self, and you need to hear your inner voice whenever taking decisions in your life. You need to hear your inner voice. Okay, and Lord Shiva also wants to tell you that you need to take control over things. You need to take authority. And very soon I can also see you visiting a religious place, that can be a temple, mosque, or church nearby, or you may travel and visit some traditional or religious place very soon. Okay, so this is a guidance for you. Thank you, pile 1. All right, pile number 2, welcome to the setup. So these are your cards. Okay, what I can see for you as guidance from Lord Shiva is that you are indulged in some activity, you can say, or some addiction. So that addiction can be any kind of a thing which, like, sleeping late, waking up late in the morning, then spending too much time on phone, or your energies are a lot of distracted, that I can see. I can see you want all your cups to be full. There's a lot of delusion around you. There's a lot of things that you want to achieve, but you do not want to take the correct action. It's not like you're not taking the correct action. You're waiting for the things right time to come. There's a lot of confusion around you. You're not able to sleep at night. There's a lot of depression, anxiety. You have difference in your opinions. Okay, there can be actually you can see, right, 5 is repeated twice in this reading. There is 5 of this thing, 5 of wands and 5 of swords. So might be there is communication issues. You might be having difficulty in expressing yourself and expressing your thoughts. Okay, okay, you're feeling too much pressurized. There's a lot of overthinking for you. Okay, so what Lord Shiva wants to tell you is you need to spend time with yourself. You need to spend time with yourself in silence. Think about what you actually want in your life and where you want to focus in your life. Okay, I'll just take some clarifiers. All right, so I can see, you can also see, right, there would be some the devil card, right? So this can be an attachment to a particular person, an attachment to a family member, friend, or a relative of yours, which is actually hindering your success, which is actually hindering you to move into a positive direction. See, you want everything in your love. You want all your cups to be filled, but there's a lot of delusion because you're not taking the right action that is required in order your cups to get filled. See, you've worked hard for your finances and you're waiting for it to grow. Okay, there is a lot of differences, there is a lot of fight between your practical and emotional self regarding your dreams. There's a clarity missing in your life. Okay, there is a balance missing in your life. So this the guidance for you is you need to spend time with yourself. Take time and be alone, be in a silent place, and think about what you actually want in your life and what should be the action that should be taken in order to achieve that thought that you want. Okay, so you're strive I see that you're taking too much of pressure, you're overthinking about it, but the action is missing. Okay, you will get an opportunity that I can see um, in the near future. Okay, but you need to first have a clear picture in your mind regarding moving ahead, like what exactly do you want in life and what is the action need to be taking. You need to start meditation, you need to start to work on yourself, then only you'll get the clarity. You miss the strength, there's no focus, you get influenced by people, that is what I can see. So you need to be, soft on yourself. You need to have compassion. Once you are with yourself, once you spend time with yourself, you will definitely get the correct fruit. You'll be able to think in a positive out front, you'll be able to take that correct decision, and you'll be able to move ahead. And yes, I can see that you'll be doing it, but it requires a lot of a lot of focus. Right now, I don't know, but you have a lot of anxiety issues, lot of confusion is there, which needs to be worked upon. This pile, your energy is very distorted, your energy is not stable. So the so in order to bring it to stable, you need to spend time with yourself in silence. Start doing meditation, start doing some physical exercise, yoga, go for a walk in the early morning. uh, Start hearing some healing music on YouTube, that will help you a lot. Also start taking salt bath on Saturdays, so that will also help you to make your aura strong, so that there's no negative impact on it. See, guidance card which I took for you, pulled up for you, which came as peaceful resolution. Okay, so whatever right now you're thinking about, and you are the confusion that you're having, the whatever the risk that you're going to take, you're thinking about taking some risk, or there's a delusion, right? So eventually it will result into a peaceful resolution, but before that you need to work upon yourself. So you need to spend time with yourself, you need to have clarity, you need to have the balance. Once you have that balance, then you can move ahead. All right, okay, that's it for pile 2. Thank you and have a great day.